Is that the Sean?
Yeah, dog.
What'd you get?
I got noodles.
Wait, did they separate the broth? I don't know, why do they separate broth?
They would probably overcook the noodles. I feel like a lot of Asians like gummy noodles though.
I also like gummy noodles. So
Yeah, that's,
I think
that's
that makes
disgusting.
sense. Wait, you know how I make my pasta, right?
Yeah, it's absolutely disgusting.
You know I burnt it the other day because like all the water, like it was just in there for like 20 minutes.
That is so grotesque.
You want a spoon too? Are you leaving soon? Are you gonna help me with this bean dip?
I can help you.
Let's go. All right, y'all. Today is the Super Bowl. The worst Super Bowl in the history of Super Bowls because I hate the Eagles. Yeah, I hate the Eagles and the Chiefs. But we're still gonna try to make it fun.
There's LVP. I'd be so happy about it.
LVP?
Let these five will play it.
Okay. Yeah. It should be Taylor Swift, honestly. I have some people over today. I'm gonna try my hand at this high protein, good macros, 7-layer bean dip. And also, I saw this TikTok recipe of these like turkey tzatziki meatballs, like Greek meatballs. Yeah, with like pickled onions. What?
You call it kofta?
Yeah, kofta, yes! Better than the Indian kofta that we have at home. Alright, where did I put the ground turkey? Oh, this fridge is a mess. Really need like an organization system. Don't tell me I froze it. Oops. Jesus. There we go. Yeah, go for it. We have donuts. Alright, the key for this recipe, I think, is the pickled onions. Wait, so I'm supposed to like dice these, right? I lost the TikTok, so.
What are you gonna pickle?
Vinegar. So I pickled the onions separately, and then I mix it with the ground turkey. I think it's supposed to be.
Cook the turkey, right?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
I think you should cook the turkey first and then put the pickle on. Otherwise, you lose the pickle.
Well, actually, no. I'm not gonna cook the turkey. I think I'm supposed to. No. So I was supposed to combine everything, make the meatballs, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven.
Oh, then you don't need to pickle the onions then.
I swear the recipe pickled the onions, unless you put it on top.
On the side, yeah.
Oh.
If you bake or cook pickled onions, it just becomes cooked onions.
Yeah, you're right. I'll do the meatballs first, and then I'll do the onions. Okay. Han is master chef, if you guys did not know.
The master chef eating a Dunkin' Donuts.
And ordering shitty Chinese noodles. That's good. Wait, they don't have Asian food in Switzerland? You didn't get any?
Their priority for us.
You didn't hit that point in the trip where you're like, I just cannot eat any more local food. Yeah, when I went to Switzerland in the summer, like we hit that point pretty early, and we just got Indian food, and it was bad.
You were with your family, right?
Yeah, they were like not having it with the schnitzels. I liked it. Also, am I supposed to pat this turkey dry or spices and then put in the oven?
Oh yeah, you don't need to.
Okay, fire. Fire, preheat time. I was gonna do, well, whatever we have. Garlic powder. Ooh, I got this like applewood rub, which is pretty dope. Yo, this is the secret ingredient.
Salt.
The chopped masala.
Oh my god, you're gonna make Indian meatballs.
Yes.
I thought you were making Greek meatballs.
Yeah, they have a taste of home, you know.
If a Greek person came in here.
I guess what? There's no Greek people coming, bro. This is a truly Asian Super Bowl.
So it's not a Greek meatball.
Okay, fine. We'll call it
Are
Indian.
you making tzatziki?
No, I wasn't. Because in the TikTok she made wraps.
So
but
why is this,
I just
why
want
are
to
you
make.
using this ingredient or this recipe?
I'm just taking inspiration.
I feel like the only thing you're taking away from this is getting the meat. That's it.
The thing is, I don't want to make all these wraps because people want like bites, right?
Right. Was that also in the video?
She made like a whole wrap.
So you're taking almost nothing away from
Yeah.
Just take the turkey and maybe a salt.
I just saw her putting the meatballs in the oven, and I was like, yeah.
The raw turkey.
Yes, I'm putting the salt in it. You fuck. Probably should have used the bigger bowl. It's too late now.
You want it this way or this way?
I don't know what I'm gonna do with the onions yet.
This knife is so dull.
Do it however you think is less dangerous, you bitch.
Okay. You still deserve a pie in the face.
Yeah, Han is supposed to pie me because I lost the bet that the Jets were gonna make the playoffs. Which honestly, I should have known. I think we should do something stupid. Go into like Times Square.
Pie you?
Yeah. Maybe you could surprise pie me. Like you just show up to one of our hangouts.
And leave.
And leave? Yeah, show up to my office.
I have a question for Shop's fans. Do people eat the middle?
That's a great question. I do sometimes. Like when it looks like that, it's okay. But sometimes it's like really tough. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna throw it away?
I threw it away.
I feel like I fight that feeling a lot, honestly, where it's like the money versus like what you shouldn't be eating. Like, you know.
Like DoorDash.
No, not like DoorDash. Like, I don't know, like if there's a questionable something in the fridge, I'm like, I don't want to throw this away, so then I'll eat
Rebecca
it.
brought,
but then I'll get food poisoning.
Rebecca brought her last avocado all the way to Switzerland.
Her last avocado?
She didn't want to waste $2.
Oh, that's crazy. See, I feel like well, I wouldn't bring it to Switzerland, but...
You're using breadcrumbs or anything?
Oh yeah, I was supposed to use breadcrumbs. I forgot about that. Should I just throw them in here?
Yeah.
Please tell me I have breadcrumbs.
Why do you have so much Jello? What 25-year-old, 26-year-old man is eating this much Jello?
Dude, this is a great, like, low-calorie snack. All right, screw it. Let's just go get some. Bye. All right, we had to say goodbye to Han. He just got back from Switzerland on a trip that I wish I was on because it looks so fun. And so now I'm going to Whole Foods because I have to get the breadcrumbs for these turkey meatballs. And I also have to get the remaining ingredients for the high-protein 7-layer dip that I'm making. And I'm excited. Although I lost the recipe for the 7-layer bean dip because I saved it on TikTok. And guess what? TikTok is banned. I know the president delayed the ban so that if you have the app, you can still use it. So I thought I was chilling, except last week, got my phone stolen for the second time in like a year and a half. I can't believe it. I was at an Millennium concert last week and I just had taken a picture of Millennium. 5 seconds later, check my pocket, no phone. It's insane. Thank God I had insurance. If you don't have insurance, I highly recommend it if you're someone like me who breaks things and loses things a lot because they hate me over there at that insurance company. This is my 3rd time cashing out. 3rd time. My 2nd time getting my phone stolen. And one time I was city biking, it fell out of my pocket, turned around, and I saw a car run over it immediately as I was running towards it. That was a heartbreaking moment. But they fixed that for free. But the replacement phone for losing it is, it's like $275, so hey, better than dropping a whole grand for a brand new phone. So yeah, highly recommend getting insurance through your carrier. I have mine through AT&T, I think it's $7 a month. I've already cashed out 3 times, they hate to see me coming. Holy smokes. Check out this line. Guess I'm not the only one trying to impress for the Super Bowl today. Damn. Hey, excuse me. You guys have olives?
That's going to be, okay, so when you get down, okay, I'll show you one second.
Okay. Oh, got it. Thank you. You're not plopping your ingredients down in your cart like you don't care. Are you even living life to the fullest? Whole Foods was packed. It's pretty much full of everyone trying to get last-minute Super Bowl supplies. So that makes me feel a little bit better. But our party technically starts in like 25 minutes and I still have to go home, make this dip, put the turkey meatballs in the oven. Those are gonna take 20 minutes just to cook. So let's just hope no one shows up on time. I think usually they don't, so we should be good. I'm so happy it snowed yesterday. I mean, now it's all shitty slush and sleet, but should have seen this place yesterday. Wow, New York City was glowing. Thanks, man. Just ran into some of my neighbors and I asked them like, oh, like you guys excited for the Super Bowl today? Like, you know, big event. I'm like, nah, we don't give a shit either. I feel like people just don't care about it this year. Like actually watching it, everyone just knows it's an excuse to eat a whole bunch of food and get drunk. I'm glad we're all on the same page though. Alright, time to make the rest of this shit, dude.
Oh, yeah, do you need any help?
I gotta put these meatballs in.
Are you making meatballs?
Yeah.
I thought you were making a bean dip.
I'm doing both.
Oh my, wow, you're really going all that.
Well, I bought ground turkey because I thought I was gonna make something for myself.
Yeah.
And I ended up not making it. It's perfect timing, or maybe the algorithm just knows me. I saw this recipe on TikTok.
You're the new chef.
Well, only a chef when people come over. I wanted to get the seasoned breadcrumbs, but they only had plain. Sucks. Do you know how much breadcrumbs I should put for?
The more crumbs you use, the more meatballs you have. I like a lot in there though.
It's like
I would have. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Like it makes it more like fluffy almost.
All right, fire. People generally are not going all out for the Super Bowl this year.
I mean, it's the Eagles though. That's like the one team that we want to go all.
Well, you do. Is this for the party or are you just making this?
That's my dinner.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, the only thing, I mean, I can make more stuff for the party.
No. I think we're good. Oh, you're right. The breadcrumbs do make it like fluffier.
Yeah. When are they coming over?
It's supposed to be 5:30, but I doubt.
7. 9.
Honestly, who knows? You know if there's usually like a cooking difference if you put it on the bottom versus the top?
The heat comes from the top of the oven, so you have to flip them.
Oh, you switch like which one's on the bottom? Or...
Yeah, so like halfway, you like reverse the trays.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Greek yogurt. Now, the fat-free Greek yogurt. It's like hard to make a separate layer for this, I feel like, because it's just all mixing with the beans. This truly is the secret ingredient though that makes this healthy. Normally this would be sour cream. I feel like Greek yogurt is just the best substitute in general. You can use Greek yogurt in anything. Also curious why they call it Greek yogurt. All right, now we just need the avocado layer, and then the toppings are easy. Yo, Gotham, do you know if we have the streaming service for the Super Bowl?
Oh, Solani has a...
Fire. We didn't have a streaming service? Everyone would have been so pissed. Wait, you know last year, there was a SpongeBob stream, and we didn't watch it. This is the secret ingredient. I won't say what it is, because if you know, you know. I feel like the bean dip called for just avocados in a layer, but I'm just making guac and putting that inside the bean dip. I wasn't supposed to. I think one of my friends is also making guac. We're gonna have guac and bean dip guac combo. Cheese time. Can't even tell this is bean dip. It looks like a pizza from the top. Literally had the pull-off top. Oops. Alright, I'm only gonna put olives on half of them because last time I got some incredible hate for putting olives on the whole thing, which I thought was unjustified, but whatever. Alright, now it really looks like pizza. What the hell? I don't know what to do with these. I like olives, but not enough to like eat the rest of this can. You know what I mean? Is there like a medium likes olives spectrum? You believe in the olive theory? And it's done. Incredibly high protein, 7-layer bean dip. We got fat-free refried beans, Greek yogurt, avocados, fat-free cheese, tomatoes, and some olives. You are looking for a snack besides the one that you already are for your next hosting event. Try out the bean dip. Speaking of, I should try out the bean dip. I want to see if it actually tastes good. Sea salt and lime or blue corn. Usually I choose sea salt and lime, but the blue corn's speaking out to me. How do you open these? Nice. I'm gonna eat it, but I don't want to ruin the aesthetic here. Who cares? Just gotta get all the layers. Fuck! Fuck! Okay. Warning though, it's so high protein that I had a bite and I feel like I'm full already. And the turkey meatballs are done. Alright, so we got 49 flavors, and Rebecca has no idea what she's getting.
I feel like this could either be grape or it could be like eggplant. That one looks like it could be bad.
This looks like it's either strawberry or like blood, yeah. I don't know, that's some good blood, I don't know.
Oh, it's good? I think orange with cheese.
It's orange.
Yeah.
Oh, fire.
How do you know?
You just guess.
Okay.
Oh, you just guess what flavor it is?
And hopefully it's not a shitty flavor.
It's like
Oh, they're shitty flavors?
Well, maybe.
Oh, no.
It's good? Oh, we're sharing.
strawberry cheesecake.
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
Lemon?
Yeah, this is
Oh, no. Way sweeter. Wait, this tastes more like coconut. I think that one's bad.
It tastes like a tree salad.
I really hope it's lemon and not like pea.
Oh shit, okay, yeah. I don't think they're bad. Alright, I bought the wrong pack. I just assumed 49 would be, like one of them would be bad. Damn. Alright, next time I'll buy the bamboo.
It'll be just the bad ones.
Yeah.
What if they all taste the same?
No, I didn't.